Have you ever felt like your emotions have ruined your day? Like someone has upset you in a brief encounter in the street, but you feel angry about it for the rest of the day? And even when you think about it weeks later, you can feel yourself getting angry again? It happens to all of us. But there's a simple method to stop this from happening. 90 seconds. That's it. That's as long as an emotion lasts, unless you feed it. But yet all of us have had days that have been ruined by feelings of anger or fear. But there's a simple method to prevent letting the negative emotions you experience hang around for longer than they need to. Emotions are fantastic, and some you want to keep around for as long as you can. So you can savor the joy or excitement about a moment, but others, we want to try and avoid prolonging as they can take control in a negative way. But the actual physiological action only lives in your body for about a minute and a half. After that, it's your thoughts that prolong them. Here's what actually happens. When an emotion triggers, your brain floods your body with chemicals: adrenaline, cortisol, and dopamine. Yet those chemicals literally wash through your system within 90 seconds, unless you restart the loop with your thinking. What keeps the feelings alive isn't the feeling itself, but the memories and stories we attach to them. You're not still angry because of chemicals, but because your mind keeps replaying it. So next time you feel that surge of emotion, anger, fear, embarrassment, try this simple reset. Notice what is happening to your body. Tight chest, hot face, racing heart. Then count to 90. Breathe. Don't fight the emotion, just acknowledge it. You'll feel the wave rise and then fade, because that's what emotions are. Waves. They crash, then they pass. If you learn to surf them instead of drown in them, you'll gain something most people never master: emotional control. Here's how you gain real power. Try to reframe the situation. Disappointment doesn't come from what happens. It comes from the gap between expectation and reality. If you can reframe, you can close that gap. Don't get me wrong. It doesn't mean pretending everything is fine. It just means seeing things clearly. I didn't get that promotion becomes: this is feedback. Where did I not stack up so I can improve next time? Turn setbacks into strategy. We prepare first aid kits to deal with physical wounds, but rarely for emotional ones. An emotional first aid kit is something you prepare when you're calm, to be used when you are not. It could be something like a note in your phone reminding you that you've overcome worse, a favorite song that you can listen to when you feel the emotions rising, a mantra you can lean on in situations like this, a quick action like doing 10 push-ups. When emotions hijack your brain, this kit acts like a parachute. It slows the fall and gives you back control. Have you ever tried to stop thinking about something or someone, and it's only made it worse? That's rumination. Your brain's stuck on repeat. Break that loop with the 5-3-1 method. Move to a new spot, even just across the room, and name 5 things you can see. Do 3 minutes of a focused task, like trying to say the alphabet backwards, and take 1 meaningful action. Something small, but real. Your brain can't hold 2 focus streams at one time. Redirect it, and rumination dissolves. Once you've built that control, start building anti-fragility, the ability to grow stronger through stress. Take cold showers. Have challenging conversations. Small acts of discomfort, because you don't grow by avoiding stress, you grow by using it. Like muscles tear before they get stronger, you adapt through resistance. What about when life really hits you hard? When you're not stuck for a few hours, you're stuck for days, weeks, or even years. That's where the Stockdale Paradox comes in. Admiral Jim Stockdale survived 7 years as a prisoner of war. His secret? He never confused faith with fantasy. He faced his brutal reality head-on, but he never lost faith that he would prevail. Hope, grounded in truth. How do we piece this all together? You need to build your own resilient system that works for you. A system you can use when you're in situations your emotions might get the better of you. It could be something like Breathwork to allow the 90 seconds to pass. Reframing your mind to turn the negative in the situation into something you can use to benefit you. Lean on your emotional first aid kit to help get you away from the negative emotions you're experiencing. Finding small habits you can focus on a build. Resilience isn't something you have. It's something you build. Emotions are temporary. Don't let yourself dwell on the negative ones and learn to enjoy the positive ones. Pain is feedback. Try and use it beneficially so next time you can be better. Growth is optional. If you don't try to improve in some way by taking these steps, the cycle will repeat, and your emotions will remain in control of you when you don't want them to. You decide whether you feed the emotion or let it pass. The next 90 seconds could change everything if you let them. If this has helped, let us know what you want to learn more about. Click subscribe, and we'll be back with more ways to help you in future.